What is going on, guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about display none property and visibility hidden, and what is the difference between those two properties, because sooner or later you're going to run into that problem. So here's the deal. In the last video we covered how we can change the actual display properties, and we can set from inline, let's say we can set it to block by using a display block or display inline, right? Well, there's also, if you noticed over here, that if I go to the H1 and let's say I'd want to have a different display, and over here I would click on quick edit, and right away we would be creating this rule in main CSS with the brackets over here like this. So let's say over here, if I write the display property over here like this, you can see that I have option here all the way here. It is, and it's called none. Okay, and if we click it over here, you can see what happens right away. Our element disappears, right? But later you'll also discover that there's actually a property called visibility, and you can have the visibility property hidden. So technically it does the same thing. So what is the difference, right? You can see in both cases it disappeared. However, if you were paying attention, you can see that notice that what is the difference between display none and visibility hidden is that when I write over here display none, you can actually see that the whole element actually disappears from the rendering. So what it means, it doesn't even take up the space. So your whole web page layout actually is changing as you're using display none. And you'll be using display none probably when you'll start using the JavaScript and everything. So when, let's say, you'll be clicking buttons and some elements are going to be appearing and disappearing again. And difference between display none, that you can see that again the layout is actually changing because the whole element is gone. However, over here, if we write visibility like this, if we write visibility and we write hidden, you can see that it still takes up still the same space. So what's happening is that the layout stays the same. The only difference is that the actual element is hidden. So that's the main difference between those two. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.